two South Indians are set to file nominations with the NDA candidate CP Radhakrishnan, who has filed nominations today and tomorrow. It would be Justice Sudarshan Reddy who would be filing nominations from the India bloc. And next month on September 9th, Parliament will elect the next Vice President of India. Both NDA and the oppositions have named their candidates for this Vice President contest. Today, the NDA candidate CP Radhakrishnan filed his nominations in the presence of Prime Minister Narendra Modi and several NDA leaders. Many union ministers were also present during the nominations filing, showcasing the strength and unity of the NDA together. Tomorrow is the last day to file nominations, and the opposition's candidate, former Justice Sudarshan Reddy, is set to file his nominations. He spoke exclusively to India Today and Aaj Tak, appealing to NDA MPs to support him. Sudarshan said Radhakrishna belongs to the RSS and that the two candidates represent different ideologies. However, he added that he would defend the constitution and is committed to following the Prime Minister's footsteps, is what he had said. Let's listen into what the interview said.
विपक्ष के नेता हैं, खासतौर पे जो सदन स्टेट से आ रहे हैं, उनका कहना है कि एक तरफ संघ परिवार के व्यक्ति हैं सीपी राधाकृष्णन, दूसरी तरफ सोशल जस्टिस के लिए लड़ने वाले जस्टिस रेड्डी हैं। क्या आप भी इसे संघ बनाम सेकुलरिज्म या संघ बनाम सोशल जस्टिस की लड़ाई देखते हैं?
देखिए साहब, एक चीज मैं आपसे बोलता हूँ, राधाकृष्णन साहब रिस्पेक्टेबल आदमी हैं, उनके बारे में मैं कोई टिप्पणी नहीं करूंगा, बट इट इज इन पब्लिक डोमेन. In fact, there is a point in the campaign which they are running that Sri Radhakrishnan ji belongs to RSS, to which he is perfectly entitled. That is the ideology he has chosen. But I don't share and come from that background. I am a liberal constitutional democrat. And I came under the influence of Dr. Lohia when I was in my first year of college, जो जूनियर कॉलेज बोलते हैं अभी अब, उस वक़्त से वो रास्ते से कुछ दिन हमारा जर्नी था. तो दोनों अलग अलग आइडियोलॉजी के हैं ना. I am entitled to my ideology, and likewise Sri Radhakrishnan ji also is entitled to his ideology. That's all.
गठबंधन ने सोचा होगा, इंडिया गठबंधन ने, कि जो तेलुगु पार्टीज हैं वो आपका समर्थन करेंगे. टीडीपी ने खुले तौर पे कह दिया कि हम एनडीए में हैं, एनडीए के साथ रहेंगे. वाईएसआर सीपी ने भी आपका समर्थन नहीं किया है. बीआरएस ने अपने पत्ते नहीं खोले. तो आप क्या आज फिर से एक बार अपील करना चाहेंगे, जब नॉमिनेशन की प्रक्रिया शुरू हो रही है?
It is their wisdom and political decision to support the candidature of the NDA, about which I can't make any comment. But it is not the political parties who elect the vice president. It is the members of the parliament which elect the vice president. There is nothing like a whip. You are very well aware of it. ऐसा कोई whip issue करके आप फला आदमी को वोट दो, ऐसा तो नहीं है. So I trust and believe in the wisdom of all the members of the parliament, that they will weigh and try to assess the relative merits and demerits of all the candidates. As at present there are only two, but we do not know what happens tomorrow. And exercise their franchise. And I accordingly appeal to all the members of the parliament, irrespective of the party affiliations, to consider my candidature.
Well, that was Justice Sudarshan Reddy speaking exclusively to India Today about his nominations that's coming up tomorrow. And now joining me is Aishwarya Paliwal from Delhi. Aishwarya, what are you picking up from your sources? Is the India bloc having some magic wand to make sure that they have the numbers on their side? And what's the TDP, YSRCP and the BRS, the Telugu parties, thinking right now?
Well, let me tell you one thing, Nagarjun. The opposition obviously understands that they don't have the numbers, but this is an ideological war. They are now fighting against the RSS and the BJP, and that's the reason why, let me tell you, they are making sure that they come up with a candidate, according to the opposition, someone who's non-political. And let me also tell you, this was the only statement that came from West Bengal, from TMC, one of the key allies of the India bloc. Mamata Banerjee made a very public statement, Nagarjun, in which she said that we should now be looking at someone who's not political. We've also seen the controversies, the rumors that took place with regards to the former VP. Was he too inclined towards the opposition? Was he taking opposition side? Did he become too political? So all these things, making sure that they stay away from all those things. And that's the reason why you even heard Prime Minister Narendra Modi yesterday in a very subtle way said that he will not be getting into the politics that we see on a daily basis. So, messaging coming in from both the sides. The opposition also, let me tell you, will show their strength because they want to tell the BJP, the NDA, that they are united, very much willing to fight it out. They don't have the numbers on their side, but yes, it's optics, and the opposition also wants to show, especially the Congress party, that they are united, all set, all willing to fight it out.
Well, thank you, Aishwarya, for bringing us all the details and updates from the parliament. And